This video guides you through replacing the battery in your 2016-2021 Acura RDX key fob, specifically the remote start version. It's a simple DIY task, saving you time and money. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful battery replacement. The Acura RDX from 2016 to 2021 uses two types of key fobs: a standard fob with multiple buttons and a remote start fob that is often pear-shaped or rectangular. Both fob types use the same CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Always confirm the battery type before you begin replacement. Using the wrong battery can damage your key fob. You'll need a new CR2032 battery for replacement. A small flathead screwdriver is required to pry open the fob. A coin can be used as an alternative tool. Gloves help avoid transferring skin oils to battery contacts. A soft cloth prevents scratches when prying open the fob. First, locate the small seam on the key fob. This is where the two halves of the fob meet and can be pried apart. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist to pry the fob halves apart. Use light pressure to avoid breaking the internal clips. No screws need to be removed. Be careful not to damage the rubber gasket, which provides splash-proof water resistance. The fob will separate into two halves. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation, ensuring it's securely seated in the battery holder. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together, ensuring a tight seal. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within 10 feet of your vehicle. Verify that the doors lock and unlock and the remote start function works. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, try resyncing it with the vehicle. A common resync method involves inserting your physical key into the driver's door lock and turning it twice, from lock to unlock positions. This resyncs the fob with the vehicle's immobilizer system. You can see the door lock mechanism here where you insert the key. If problems continue after resyncing, consult your vehicle's manual for additional troubleshooting steps or contact an Acura dealership for assistance. Here are some important tips and considerations for maintaining your Acura RDX key fob. First, purchase OEM or certified CR2032 batteries to ensure longevity. Using quality batteries prevents premature failure. Second, dispose of old batteries responsibly through recycling programs. Lithium batteries are hazardous waste. Third, avoid overusing the remote start feature, as it drains the battery faster than other functions. Fourth, if your fob casing is damaged, consider a replacement casing to maintain its integrity and water resistance. Finally, if all else fails, contact Acura support at 1-800-382-2238 for professional assistance.